Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, guys. We got something a little different today. We got our Copperhead 52 on the caster package, right? Most of the ones y'all see us do on the off-road package with the big wheels. Hey, there ain't nothing wrong with a little caster action, all right? So we got, the Copperhead 52. Now, all of our smokers are built out of a minimum thickness of 1/4 inch American-made plate steel, all right? Now, open this thing up. Like I said, it's our 52 Copperhead. Now, the Copperhead is the octagon design here, and there are a couple advantages to the octagon. Not only does it look badass, that's first, but there are a couple other benefits. Mainly is the room inside the smoke chamber. You got more volume in there. What it allows us to do is get more room between your top and bottom grate, and also lets the top grate be a little deeper. And hey, you know, at TMG, we love cooking on that top rack. Even though some of the guys down in Texas don't, we do up here in Tennessee. Got that complimentary fire poker there. Now, this is our reverse flow smoker. We've got 2 removable plates down the bottom. They got handles on them. Pick them up out of there. You can scrape out the bottom of your smoker, makes it easy to clean out. Speaking of clean out, we do have a 1-inch grease drain down there with the ball valve on it. All right, that way you're not dripping grease. TMG Pits Tell Truth thermometers on this unit. And also, we got the fold down front shelf, all right? If you buy a TMG pit on a caster model, fold down front shelf comes standard, all right? You ain't gotta pay extra for it. It'll be on there. Paper towel utensil holder on the side as well. Come around to our hot box, and this is our 30-inch hot box. Y'all know the deal here, 5 sliding trays, 1,776 square inches of all-American cook space, all right? These are 3/16 laser cut grates. I say laser, it's actually plasma, but y'all don't know the difference. So we got laser cut grates in there. Now we do have a removable plate in the bottom with daisy wheels. That's what lets us control the temperature in here. Now, how that'll work is you can be running at 2 different temperatures. You can be running 250 over here, 325 over here, pork and brisket over here, chicken over here. All right, this makes sense. Or you can pull that whole plate out of there, get direct fire in there, grill in it, sear in it. Our firebox here, like I said, all 1/4 inch plate steel, got your fire management cradle in the bottom, D-ring tie downs on all 4 corners. Hey, about to load this thing up on a trailer, ship it over to man Scott in Oklahoma. Say, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call. TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.